Friends, and welcome to the Coin Engineer YouTube channel, where you can find the latest pre-sale and airdrop videos amongst our other educational playlists. If you haven't yet, click on the subscribe button, turn on the notifications, and follow our other social media accounts to not miss out on any more opportunities like these projects. Binance recently announced the Project Galaxy GAL token launch pool, where the participants will be able to earn passive income for 30 days by staking their BNB coins, Cake, or Binance USD tokens. And Binance will list this token in 6 days. If you don't have a Binance account yet, you can sign in through the links below this video to receive a 40% discount on transactions through the spot and futures trading in Binance. We can stake our coins by selecting this Earn button on the screen and then clicking on the Launchpad button. As I mentioned, we will have 3 options to participate in this launch pool. There will be 3 million GAL tokens available for 30 days, and for those who stake Binance coin will get 70% of the rewards, which is about 2.1 million GAL tokens. Those who stake Cake will get 20% of the rewards, which is about 600 GAL tokens, and for those who stake Binance USD will receive 10%, which is about 300,000 GAL tokens. All these tokens will be distributed evenly to those who contributed on the staking period. To participate in this, all we have to do is to click on Stake Now button and then click on this Stake button. And since this is a flexible staking, you can redeem your coins at any time you want. I will drop the necessary links in the comments below, and you can do your own research, but in its most basic form, the Project Galaxy is the largest Web3 credential data network. Built on open and collaborative infrastructure, Project Galaxy supports developers and organizations with digital credentials data to construct better products and communities in Web3 system. The project currently has more than 1.3 million users with 341 ecosystem partners. To register to the system, we need to connect one of these wallets you see on the screen, and if you don't know how to create or connect a wallet, you can also find the links for our MetaMask tutorial under this video. Soon we will be back with more airdrop and pre-sales videos. Do not forget to subscribe to our channels and turn on the notifications to see more videos like this. Take care, until next time.